All right, so this video is for IXL S7 or UWB. So we have been really building up to this moment. So we've been mastering slope-intercept form. We've been picking it apart, finding the slope, finding the b, creating equations with the y and the b. And now we're finally getting to the point where we can graph it. So I know this looks like 6 steps. It looks pretty complicated, but I'm going to make it pretty easy. All right. So for this example, graphing in slope-intercept form. First, make sure it's in y equals mx plus b form. For this IXL, they will all be in y equals mx plus b form for you. So step 1 is always done. Step 2, locate your m. That's your slope. So we need an m, and I know that my m is the number in front of x. We have been practicing this so much. So my m is -2. I also know that slope needs to be rise over run, so let's just make that a fraction. And I'm going to make that a lot easier to see because it's the same color. It's -2 over 1. My b, that's step 2. Step 3, locate your b. That's your y-intercept. That's this guy in the back. That's 3. Done. Step 4, begin with plotting your y-intercept. So you're going to begin there. So my b is 3. So a y-intercept is where it falls on the y-axis. So start in the middle, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to begin there. I plotted my y-intercept. Done. Step 5, move up or down and always to the right from that point. So I began here. My m, or my movement from there, is -2 over 1. So that -2 means I'm going down 2, because it's negative, and you're always going to run to the right. So from the point I just created, I'm going to go down 1 and 2 and do another point. Cool. Step 5, connect the dots. So I am awful at drawing on these, so I'm going to do a couple more points. But your IXL is super cool because it'll draw the line for you once you draw 2 lines. That's it. We just graphed a line in slope-intercept form. We have been working so hard to get up to this. All right, let's do another one. Step 1, make sure it's in slope-intercept form. Done. Step 2, locate your m. My m is always that number in front of x, which is 1/8. Locate your b. My b is in the back. That's 4. Cool. Number 4, begin with plotting your y-intercept. So I'm going to begin with 4. So start in the middle. I know my y-axis is up and down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to plot a point. In IXL, you just click. Then, from my beginning, move up or down and always to the right. So let's look at my m. My +1 means I'm going up 1. My 8 means I'm always running to the right, so that's 8 to the right. So from my beginning, I'm going to go up 1 and then go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Woohoo! So I'm actually going to do another one because I'm not again, IXL super cool. It'll draw the line for you. But that is drawing. That's the line. All right, let's do the very last one. Make sure it's in slope-intercept form. Done. Locate your m. M is the number in front of x. That's 1 over 2. Done. My b is 8. It's in the back of the equation. Begin with plotting your y-intercept. So 8 is on my y-axis. So start in the middle, and I'm going to go all the way up to 8, and I'm going to put a dot. Then it says check it off. Move up or down. So this 1 means I'm going up because it's positive, and the 2 means I'm going to the right. So I'm beginning at my beginning, and I'm going to go up 1 and over 2. And I'm going to do this a couple of times just because it helps me draw a straighter line. Not that it really helps me draw a straighter line, but you know, IXL's cool. It'll draw it for you. And that's it. So we have been working so hard and we finally got to this and we are graphing lines. Super exciting.